Hello everyone guys, and in today's video we is always gonna dive into Bitcoin's chart. What's going on guys, and what does it all mean for us? Let me explain. So basically Bitcoin finally got rejected from the resistance area at $65,000 by this movement. Previously Bitcoin hit the resistance area and after that stuck there in a bit, and by this moment Bitcoin got rejected from the resistance area toward the support level at $62,000. And I want to emphasize that fact that below this extreme point, gonna be bunch of liquidity because people put their stop losses below the support level, below these extreme points, which means that smart money right now is hunting toward this extreme liquidity points, which means with a high probability Bitcoin will sweep these lows soon. And at the same time, if we scale out and switch to the daily time frame, we can see that Bitcoin previously was trying to close, and previously Bitcoin was trading above the resistance area, above the 220 and 10 EMA, which means that Bitcoin might give some signals that it might be a swing reverse and we will see some bounce, a continuation of current bounce. But now Bitcoin is planning to close below this support level, which means that which looks like this momentum of the bounce is faded, which we can interpret as a bearish, as a sell signal. And right now, what we see, Bitcoin hit the resistance area at $65,000. Bitcoin almost hit the resistance area at the resistance level at the 50 EMA, and Bitcoin got rejected, which we can interpret as a bearish signal, as I said previously. And at the same time, if we see at the long term, Bitcoin previously at the 3rd of November 2025, Bitcoin broke below the 200 EMA, which means that since that moment, still now, Bitcoin is trading in a downward trend because Bitcoin has not been above the resistance level since that moment, which means that Bitcoin is trading in a downward trend. And in a downward trend, all the bounces which happen, we first of all deem as a bounce, not as a reversal, guys. We gotta understand that. And the momentum of a swing bounce is faded because Bitcoin is feeling weak right now, and Bitcoin planning to close this bearish candle. And at the same time, as I said previously, Bitcoin has extreme liquidity point. If we switch to the 1 hour time frame, Bitcoin has these extreme points. It is this level at 61,300, and this extreme point is 61,544. Below this level, there are a bunch of liquidity, bunch of stop loss on which smart money are hunting right now. And if we see at the 10th, what Bitcoin tend to do, Bitcoin previously hits the resistance, the support level. After that, in a bit bounce, momentum faded. Bitcoin broke below this diagonal support level, and after that, Bitcoin swept the lows. Updated the lows of 2026 again. And right now, the lowest price of 2026 is falling on approximately 57,800. And below this extreme point, there are gonna be bunch of liquidity. And as I said previously, smart money are hunting to this liquidity. And if we see what Bitcoin tend to do, as I said previously, Bitcoin right now is tend to update the lowest price, because previously the lowest price was falling at 60k. After that, Bitcoin updated it by this moment, and after that was in a bit bounce for approximately 14%. After that, Bitcoin swept the lows again, gave these little bounce for approximately 4 and approximately 5%. And by this false breakout, Bitcoin swept the lows again. Smart money grabbed the liquidity below this support zone. And by this candle, by this moment, Bitcoin gave this upward move for approximately 12%. And right now it seems that this bounce is faded because the momentum is faded. The buyers is feel weak right now, and if we see the chart, we can realize that buyers do prevail over sellers do prevail over buyers. And at the same time, there is these extreme points on which smart money are hunting. So basically, relying on these factors, I'm expecting a continuation of a current movement, and I think Bitcoin will be in the near future. Bitcoin will be $61,000. That I think $60,000. And when Bitcoin hits this support level at $60,000, I think it might be, and there is a high probability of a little bounce, like a pull, like in a bit, bounce in a bit, and after that a continuation of a downward move with an updating of the lowest price of 2026 again. It is right now, it's 57,100, and I think it's just only a matter of time. In a matter of several days, I think, when Bitcoin will be updating the lowest price of 2026 again. And after that, I think when Bitcoin broke below the lowest price of 2026 at 57,800, Bitcoin might continue downward movement, downward trend over the support level, support zone at 55K. Why did I choose this support zone as a support zone? Because previously Bitcoin literally reversed from this support zone, support area. Bitcoin hits the support area, not precise, but the lowest price was at approximately $49,000, and after that Bitcoin bounced from approximately 110%. And I'm not aiming for this amount of percent, but I think that if Bitcoin hits this support level, support zone at $55,000, I will be expecting in a bit bounce back over the resistance level at $65,000. And I think when Bitcoin hits this support zone, I will be scaling out from my short position if I have it at that moment. And yeah, we'll be firing some long trades at this support zone because it is historical support level. It's around support level $50,000 because it's half of 100,000. And at the same time, Bitcoin previously reversed from this support zone, support area, which confirmed that fact that it is strong support level. So basically, guys, this was just my take, my view. My final prediction is a continuation of a current move over this extreme point, after that over the support level at 60K. Then in a bit bounce for approximately from 60 to 61,000, and after that a continuation of a downward move over the support level as 57,800. So that's it, guys. This was just my take, my view, not financial advice, just my thoughts, guys. Thank you so much. Just my view, my opinion. Thank you. Bye bye, and subscribe to this channel.